Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing of the 25th anniversary collection. We are gonna break the box because we don't care. We are hoping to pull, a QCR as Blossom. That will be the best. And let's start. Wish me luck. Hit a follow, a like, and leave a comment about what's your favorite card that we're gonna pull and what you wish that you pull yourself if you buy one. We start with Alpha, Antis, Effect Veiler, Darklaw, and Borloot Savage. Next pack, we have Celine, Ecclesia, Rota, Revolt, and Collector's Rare Laval Golem. Very nice, very beautiful. For our next pack, we have Artemis, Faris, Saints of Heart, The Barrier, and Dark Ruler No More. We have Irish Ursul, The Barrier, Egyptian God Slime, Laval Golem, and Summer Angel Benton. We have Call by the Grave, Simon, Borloot Savage as a Platinum Secret Rare, Ecclesia, and Saints of Heart. An update, guys, I started streaming today. I'm gonna do Fortnite streams and Master Duel content. I can hopefully gather people to know me so I can start live dueling on TikTok and YouTube also, so help me out. We have Saints of Heart, Number and Dragon, Infinite Permanence as a secret rare, Longfire Blossom, and Called by the Grave Ultimate Rare. Very nice. Edlitz, Inspector Border, Lancia, Nibiru, and Laval Golem. I don't know why I keep saying Laval, it's lava. Next off, we have Egyptian God Slime, Lightning Storm, and Called by the Grave QCR. Very nice looking card. Artemis and Tri-Brigade Revolt. Next up we have Downed Magician, Mekk-Knight Avermax, Pot of Desires as a secret rare, Magical Fusion, and Compulsory Evocation Device as collectors. Decode Talker, Hitzel, Magical Fusion, Triple Tactics, Secret Rare, Compulsory, and Chaos Space. Let's see, Forbidden Droplet, Cherubini, Mad Dragon as a secret, Lancia, and Ice Barrier. Let's see, I have Longfire Blossom, Subtle Schism, number 100 Numero Dragon as a QCR, very nice looking card, Lightning Storm, and Pot of Desires. Galaxy Eyes Afterglow, Revolt, Gospel, Platinum Secret, Celine, and Ash Blossom. Infinite Permanence, Luna, Ice Barrier, Endlitz the Golden Lord as an ultimate rare, and Faris. We have Ecclesia, Baylor, Faris, Wind Channeler, and Gospel. Afterglow, Angel of Mischief, Inspector of Border, Antis, and Pot of Desires Collectors. Very nice looking card. We have Baron, Fossil Dig, Simoon, Endlitz, and Fallen Walbaz. We have Darkglow, Compulsory, Winged Dragon's Ra, Stream Mode, Afterglow, and Punishment. Remember, share this video with your friends and or family to help me out. Reach 1000 followers on TikTok and 50 subscribers on YouTube. We have Fallen Walbaz, Ice Barrier, Longfire Blossom, Droplet as an Ultra, and Decode Hitsoul as an ultimate rare. We have Ghostbell, Shifter, Magical Salvation as a secret rare, Platinum Secret, Full Armor Fortune Dragon, and Iris Sorcerer. We have Madragon, Rota, Antis as a QCR, Numero Dragon, and Kotaker Inverted. We have Ancient Fairy Dragon, Abermax, Wind the Wind Channeler, Fairy Dragon, and a collector's rare Impermanence. Oop. Sorry about that. I have Ice Dragon's Prison, Summon Limit, Borloot Savage, Cherubini, and Flare Metal. For our last pack, I think we'll pull pretty much everything. I don't expect anything from that, but let's see. Small World, Celine, The Barrier as a secret rare, Summon Limit, and Pot of Extravagance. Very nice pull. Hopefully you liked it. Help me out with a like, comment, follow, and share. And peace until next time.